Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the PF error for your Whirlpool dryer. And it's super simple and you're going to get it fixed in a minute. So the power failure error, it indicates that the drying cycle has been interrupted by a power failure. So what you want to do and how to fix it, you want to touch and hold start to restart the dryer cycle. So you would have a start button. You want to touch and hold it, or press power to clear the display. Or so first you're gonna have hold this, the start, to restart the dryer cycle, or press the power to clear the display. So either press the power for clear the display, or you want to press and hold the start to restart the dryer cycle. That's it. Super simple, and I hope this fixed your issue that you have with it. Now, thank you very much for watching, and hope you have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.